Okay, I want to show you a little trick I want to show you here. I can't find this cut line, and so what I'm doing is I started the cut and I'm pulling this back as I cut it so I can see the edge that I want to leave and see how it shows me how I'm doing. Okay, if you can see that, I can just pull it back as I cut. Need to pull it this way. There we go. Now I can see what I'm cutting and what I'm leaving behind, so I can see that I've got a nice straight edge here. Okay, let's keep going here. Heating up with the hair dryer really helps, but I just couldn't see this edge regardless, and so this is something that you can do. It seems to be working really well. You can see where you're at. I'm trying to leave that little bit of a lip. I think what happened is that lip kind of disappeared with the painting process, so that's why I'm having a hard time finding it. So this way I can do that and leave that lip. Okay. All right. Okay, I just want to give you a heads up. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera, but I did the same technique around here, just cutting it and also pulling the vinyl like I showed you when I went across there. It worked out really, really well. So I would recommend doing that so you can follow your cut line easier by just pulling it up and you know you're going straight. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do these holes real quick. Okay, I cut it out from the back, and what you do is take your knife, okay, and just go kind of a sawing action and follow the inside of that hole. So what you're doing is you're going up and down, shaving the vinyl around just like that. Okay? The other thing is, take the hair dryer and warm it up and push out any water, air. Okay, right there, I'm heating that up right now. There's a bubble with water in it, and it needs to be heated up so I can push it out and it'll stay. Okay? Same thing here, we'll heat that up around there a little bit. Take your finger as I'm doing it, see, and it's gone. I'll take care of those bubbles with the knife. Okay. Okay, that worked out good. That's gone. There's a really big bubble here, so just like I said before, don't poke it in the middle, poke at the edge of the bubble and push towards it, and it'll squeeze that water right out of there. Okay, poke it right there, squeeze it out. Poke it right there, squeeze it out. Okay, air and water. Yeah, that way it's all gone, and it'll set up nicely once you sit out in the sun for a day or two, and that vinyl is going to stick really, really well. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay, just work all the air bubbles out. Okay, and I heated it up, and that stayed good there. I heated it up, that stayed good there. That's good. So I'll heat it up over here a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing here that I did here. I'm gonna cut and just peel it as you go, and that way you can follow it, and it worked out really, really well, so I'd recommend that. I'm gonna complete this, and I'll go ahead and complete everything at this point, and then I'll show you the end result. Hey, we're all completed, and I wanted to show you these before we install them in the car. We installed the other parts already, but I just want to show you these main components of the dash. It turned out really nice. Welding the plastic all the prep work, sanding, painting, and vinyl work. And I don't know if you can tell, but it really looks nice. So we're pleased with it. We're going to go ahead and get it installed, and we'll show you the end results. Here is the finished product on the dash restoration, and it came out really nice. My mom saw it. She was tickled, very pleased with the results. And I don't know if you can see it or not here. Let me get a little different view. Just kind of, we did that part down there. Remember that part and that reinforcement of the plastic. And here's the dash. And I went ahead and put the vinyl on the steering wheel horn, and that was quite involved. Just heating it up slowly, working it around all the curvatures with a hair dryer. Okay, came out great. The upholstery is really nice. There's the seat covers. This guy does really good quality work. New headliner, back seats, new carpets. So we're doing a few final details, but it's pretty much completed inside. Now for the outside. So I hope this helps to give you some encouragement to restore those plastic pieces and to do the vinyl work. You guys have a blessed day. I pray that you are blessed, and that you know Him who is the author of life.